The future of artificial intelligence and cryptocurrency. The rise of AI has begun. The capabilities of artificial intelligence have been demonstrated to the rest of the world through language bots such as ChatGPT and AI picture producers such as Midjourney and DALL-E. Already, IT companies are rushing to find ways to incorporate it into their business strategies. Allegedly, Microsoft is on the cusp of sealing a $10 billion contract with the developers of the product within weeks of its launch. Despite the ups and downs it has experienced, cryptocurrency has emerged as a key player in the global economy. Some individuals are putting their entire investment portfolios into cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. There is widespread optimism that the cryptocurrency market will quickly recover and perhaps thrive going forward. But what about AI combined with crypto? There is a potential that has not yet been fully realized, and we are only starting to see it put to use. It has the potential to revolutionize both sectors. The challenge with investing in cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency does not function in the same way that conventional monetary systems do. Cryptocurrency prices are notoriously unstable and prone to big swings. Under the strain of the recent economic slump, we have witnessed the collapse of more than one coin. Many people lament the absence of regulation, yet the greed that followed the 2008 financial crisis and a desire to break away from the large banks gave birth to cryptocurrency. What's the issue? There is virtually little recourse for victims, making fraudulent activity and crypto hacking commonplace. By August of last year, about $2 billion worth of cryptocurrency had been stolen. Many people will never get that money back. When it comes to the whole topic of investors losing their money, cryptocurrency is starting to acquire an image problem. AI may be the solution they've been looking for to strengthen compliance without resorting to full legislation. Why the combination of AI and cryptography works so effectively. Pattern recognition is where AI shines the brightest. The philosophy of cryptocurrency, which centers on the decentralization of monetary systems, is worthy of praise, yet its implementation is currently lacking. This is why we may be witnessing the start of a wonderful friendship between the two of you. Fraud detection. Anonymity is at the heart of both cryptocurrency and the blockchain. Because of this, it is susceptible to a wide variety of cons, including the manipulation of markets and outright theft. These pervasive cash grabs could be avoided with the help of an AI program that is trained to recognize irregularities in transactions. Protection from dangers. Trading cryptocurrencies is seen by many as more precarious than other forms of investing. After the events of the previous year, it is reasonable to make this assumption. However, artificial intelligence has the potential to protect investors from significant losses through the use of algorithmic trading. Artificial intelligence can recognize trends and make decisions more quickly than any human. When it comes to trading, this works out nicely. When risky cryptocurrencies are added into the mix, it makes even more sense. This is an opportunity for the average retail investor to profit through the purchase of cryptocurrency trade packages, which are analogous to ETF. Not to mention the fact that if people believe crypto to be less dangerous, there will be more investors joining the party. Automation. This is likely the most significant benefit of incorporating AI into cryptography. Understanding cryptocurrency thoroughly is essential before making any financial commitments in this space. The days of spending hours investigating which cryptocurrencies or tokens are the best to acquire will soon be a thing of the past. Artificial intelligence may make all of your decisions for you, saving you a significant amount of time. Additionally, it may lessen the possibility of human error inside the cryptographic data. Where do you see the intersection of AI and cryptocurrency going? It's possible that during the next few years, AI will have a substantial impact on the cryptocurrency sector. It can supervise not only risk and compliance, but also trading decisions and portfolios as a whole. The following are some examples of how artificial intelligence could be helpful to investors in cryptocurrency. Analyzing someone's feelings. A natural language processing system driven by AI might make purchasing suggestions for cryptocurrencies, and with cubed AI, in some ways it already does. The artificial intelligence computer would swiftly obtain a feel of the public opinion towards various currencies if it were fed the appropriate streams of data, such as tweets and news stories, for example. Additionally, natural language processing (NLP) could assist with price forecasting, the determination of any potential risks associated with a coin, or the attempt to assume future growth based on the number of individuals discussing the topic. It's a clever AI tool that has the potential to quickly take over the cryptocurrency market. Agents without a central command structure. If you are even slightly familiar with Web3, then you have likely heard of DAO. On the other hand, you might not be familiar with their cousins, the DAA. These agents are pre-programmed computer programs that are designed to make decisions on their own. How do these things operate in the crypto world? The DAA is transformed into an effective AI-driven fund manager. There is no chance of either human error or bias occurring. You are free to kick back and relax because AI will be managing your cryptocurrency holdings. Customer experience. There is a possibility that AI will be utilized to finally bring cryptocurrency into the mainstream. One of the primary barriers that are now preventing the widespread use of cryptocurrency is the specialized jargon and level of expertise that is required to complete a transaction. AI may provide curated lists of instructional resources on cryptocurrency, create customized guidance that is tailored to risk tolerance, and tailor marketing and communications based on a user's browsing habits. Because there is no longer a barrier to entry, it may only be a matter of time until cryptocurrencies become as commonplace as credit cards like Visa or MasterCard. Regulatory conformity and safety. If financial organizations can learn artificial intelligence promptly, they may also be able to harness its power to defend banks. The use of AI to monitor the telltale signals of financial crime would make the implementation of compliance and anti-money laundering systems much simpler. Real-time transaction systems that are monitored by AI might identify anything suspicious, offering cryptocurrencies an additional layer of security that banks so frequently say is lacking. Is there a potential downside to this? The fact that AI is still in its infancy is the primary cause of fear. It will be many years before it becomes a commercial and mainstream entity that is prepared to meet the demands of a market that is worth multiple billions of dollars, such as the cryptocurrency industry. The training of AI requires a significant amount of data. Those data can cause problems if they contain even the tiniest bit of bias. In the case of cryptocurrencies, we may witness the emergence of market manipulation fueled by AI in the market. The potential acquisition of a large share in ChatGPT by Microsoft carries with it the risk that the product may be taken completely off the market. The technology might be wholly owned by huge firms, which would give them a dominant position in the cryptocurrency market if they did so. If only a select few were able to manage the power of artificial intelligence, it wouldn't bode well for any kind of innovation. Having said that, artificial intelligence crypto is a fascinating new potential that is providing investors in cryptocurrencies with a great deal of optimism. It is only a matter of time before we see AI and crypto make some significant movements together given the rapid pace at which both of these businesses are currently developing. Investing in AI and cryptocurrencies is already a reality. A lot of time has been spent discussing what AI and cryptocurrency might look like in the future, but in many respects, that future has already arrived. At Cube.ai, we are at the forefront of utilizing artificial intelligence to provide everyday investors with access to tactics and methods that are often only available to wealthy hedge fund customers. We appreciate your viewing and we hope you enjoy the video. How was the video? Did you enjoy it? Post your feedback in our comment section below and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates.